Hi, I invite you to explore goals and desires today. How can you know if a particular goal is actually healthy for you, or it is a way to escape from yourself? I invite you to choose a goal or a desire, something you know you want for the future. And why not a big one? Now, I invite you to imagine it and to explore. Are you projecting the source of your happiness onto this goal? What will happen if you don't get the object of your desire? Do you believe you will lose your capacity to live in happiness? Do you believe you will lose your chance to live in fulfillment and in love because of this lost dream? When you make that goal the source of your happiness and your love, in that moment it becomes unhealthy. It may look like essential to you, but it will never give you what it promises. It just can't. You may have a very happy momentarily experience, but it can't last. And it also holds the possibility for a deep frustration or even misery if you don't get it. The object of your goal may look like the source of your happiness, of your love, but of course this is just an illusion of the mind, of the ego. And it can become even more tricky when it's spiritual. When I hold this asana for 30 minutes, I will become closer from my higher self. I will be more the one I should be. Or when I finish my retreat next year, then I will reach where I should reach. I will be the one I should be. And these are like subtle escapes from offering yourself to this moment, from actually opening your capacity to meet and embrace the experience that is happening here, now, the reality. Maybe waiting for a better future, not realizing that it could just be an escape from your maturity, from discovering your depth, meeting and embracing this moment now. As you walk the path back to your essence, you realize that a goal can enrich your life, but can never, ever be the source of your love, of your happiness. The object of your desire can never be the source of your presence, of your heart. That you can only find inside. And that's what we look at in our mindfulness and intimacy workshops. If you're interested, please feel free to join. It's really a joy to share and explore together.